peaceful day at John's house. It is going. Quickly, David, quickly! How are we gonna edit out the sound?
I got my eyes on you. You're everything that I see, I won't show.
John, wake up, man.
What?
Found a treasure map in the
Oh,
box.
sweet. What's it say?
I don't even know.
Let's get this sucker out. Alright. Alright. To solve the problem, to find the first clue, we have to find the derivative of 2x squared minus x plus 5 at 320.
What does that mean?
Alright.
Got our handy dandy board thing.
So first, we need to... It's out of focus. God damn it.
Write down the problem, which is
Okay, write down the problem.
x squared plus minus x plus 5 at boop.
Alright, now we have that.
All right, let's look at your notes.
Let's look at the notes. See if we have a problem that kind of looks like this. Bam. Alright.
So it says that you gotta.
So, first step is to put 3 plus h everywhere that there is
An
x. So,
Do this.
and then for the y, we put 3 plus h squared.
Why do you do
Minus.
that though?
Because you have to put 3 plus h everywhere that there's an x.
Oh, to get your y, right?
Yes. Let's
Okay.
get your y. Then we have another 3 plus h plus 5. So then that's going to be
Foil first,
well,
right?
3 plus h squared is going to be 9 plus 6h plus h squared times that by 2. Then you have minus 3 minus h plus 5. So it's going to be 18 plus 12h plus 2h squared minus 3 minus h plus 5.
Oh, it's gonna be a plus h, remember?
No, because you have to
I see.
put the negative to
Yeah.
both sides.
I see.
And then you have to combine like terms. So 18 minus 3 is 15, plus 5 is 20.
Mm-hmm.
So you have 20.
Mm-hmm.
So you got rid of this, this, and this.
Mm-hmm.
And then 12h minus h is plus 11h. And then you're left with 2h squared.
Action.
So
Action.
here's our
Action.
y. Jordan. Here's our y coordinate. And then so it's 20 plus 11h plus 2h squared. And then put parentheses around that. So now we can erase all of this. And then we use our dy over dx formula.
To find our slope, right?
Yeah, find your
Slope.
derivative slope.
Okay.
So once we find our other coordinates,
X and Y.
our other x and y, we have to use our formula dy over dx to find the derivative, which is going to be 20, which is our initial y coordinate, and then we're going to subtract that from our second y coordinate. So 20
Minus 11h. Minus 11h, you're right.
is going to be minus 11h or plus
Yeah.
11h?
Yeah. Because remember, you're subtracting like this whole thing. Remember, this is in parentheses. So since it's negative,
Yeah.
it's going to be negative 20.
Put that in parentheses.
Yeah. Oop.
Plus 11h plus 2h squared over our difference of x's, which is 3 plus h minus 3. So when we distribute the negative out, it's going to be 20 minus 20 minus 11h minus 2h squared over, and these 3's cancel. It's going to be all over h.
The 20's X.
No, yeah, I did that wrong.
No, the 20's cancel.
No, look, it's supposed to be this y minus this.
Oh, yeah, you did.
Okay.
No, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, it does.
It does matter. It does.
I messed up. I messed up.
All right. Well, there's also some faults in this. That's why we're mathematicians.
Alright, so we're going to take the second y and subtract it by the first y. So it's going to be 20 plus 11h plus 2h squared.
Now it
Then
makes sense.
minus 20, which is this first one. And put that over 3 plus h minus 3.
So it all cancels out, man.
So our 3's will cancel and our 20's will cancel out. So we're left with 11h plus 2h squared over h. And then since the binomial has an h and so does the denominator, they're gonna
We can take the H out.
take the h out. So it's gonna be 11 plus 2h because these would cancel. So when you have to find the limit when h approaches 0 of 11 plus 2h, it's going to be 11 plus 2 times 0, which is 11.
So how would you write that? Say, with a problem. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. The wording would be f prime of 3, since that's the x value, equals 11. And that's your answer to find the derivative.
And if they don't give you a 20 or they don't give you a y, all you have to do is just plug in this x into this equation to get your y for the first coordinate.
Yes. Alright. Jordan!
What's up, guys? How's it going?
We need your help with the problem.
What problem?
Alright. So far, we have 11. Found that. These are treasure map clues. And we have to figure out what that means.
This one. This treasure map.
I got it. What's it mean, Jordan?
Alright. Glasses.
So 11. Yes.
You look at this right. Hold up.
Here, don't go.
You can take them. Bananas.
Bananas.
Banana.
Guess what, guys?
What?
I saw 2 on the way here.
No way.
Over there.
That's bananas.
Mine doesn't skirt.
Guys, saw bananas up there. Let's go get them.
All right, let's go.
Shit.
Bananas. David, look, it's another math problem.
Radical. How do we do it?
What? Oh, you got it.
Now it's time to solve this problem.
So the problem was sine x over x as x approaches 0. Because of our limit rules, we know that's 1.
Yeah.
So that can only mean one thing.
Chimneys.
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 Not Pocahontas chimneys. Alright, we found the chimney. Now we just need to go look for the clue.
Found it.
Oh, what'd you find, David?
Clue. A clue. What's it say? Find the average rate of change for f of x equals 2x squared minus 5 over the interval 0, 5.
And what's that gonna tell us?
I don't know. Let's solve it.
Alright, let's go do it. David, there's a clue on here. What's it say?
You can read it?
I can't see it, David.
Alright. Find the average rate of change for the...
Wrong. You're supposed to read this, what the clue says.
The answer will remind you of your childhood.
You silly. Alright, let's solve it.
Oh, okay.
So the problem was 2x squared minus 5 over the interval, so you write at 0, 5. And the equation is going to be, you're going to put like f of x, or f of y minus f of 0 over 5 minus 0. So you stick a 5 in this equation. It's going to be 25 times 2, which is 50, minus 5 is 45. And then you put 0 in this equation. This is going to equal 0, minus 5. So this is going to be, because it's going to be minus a negative 5, so it's going to be plus 5 over, and 5 minus 0 is 5, which equals 50 over 5, which equals 10. So it says our answer is going to remind us of our childhood, and the only thing that I can remember that's going to equal 10 is going to be 10 spots on Mickey Mouse ears. There's like, you got Mickey Mouse, and there's like 10 polka dots on his ears. So I think that's where we should look, David.
There's no polka dots on his ears.
Those polka dots on his shirt.
There it is. I think you're thinking of that female character.
Minnie Mouse, probably.
Yeah, I was saying the female one.
Yeah, it's Minnie.
No,
Minnie Mouse.
Mindy.
Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse. Sweet. $50. Man, that dream, it Tell me where I forgot my money at.
Radical!